Here we go. This is Syncopation Lesson 4. We're going to do it in the key of C minor, and we're going to use a C minor pentatonic scale. In our left hand, we've got a C minor chord. In our right hand, we've got a C minor pentatonic scale. Okay, we're going to do everything linear. Just going to add a note whenever we add a note to the measure. Taking it at 95. If that's too fast, use YouTube's slow down feature. Click the gear and go down to 75% speed. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, number 1. Here we go. And number 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Add a note. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Add a note. Number 10. Eleven. 12. And on a C. Okay, so if that was easy for you, you can take it faster. Another thing you can do is you can add in another chord in your left hand. So you can go 1 and 2,